Hi, Dr. Fox here. In these videos, I often ask you to pause your video and recreate something that I've just done. If you're not sure exactly where to find that data set or how to get access to it, let me show you very briefly. I'll move me out of the way. So down below the video in the description area, just click on More. And one of the first links that you come to is the link to the Excel document. Now you'll notice this says Google, so it's in Google, but it actually is an Excel file. So it immediately opens the Excel file, but you can't work on the Excel file. You can, but to do what I'm doing in the videos, you actually need to click File and Download. You have to download the Excel file as an Excel in the Excel format, all by itself. So however you normally get at your downloaded files in Windows, I just click on it, but on a Mac it might be slightly different. But go ahead and open up the file, and you'll also have to enable editing. So it's in a protected view. Now you can begin working on it. If you'd like to, you can go ahead and File and then Save As, and name and place this document somewhere in a safe location that you have access to. Now you can do everything that I normally do in this downloaded Excel document. Hopefully this is helpful to you. Blessings.